Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. My husband has always loved to have scents in every space he's in. He's been that way since I've known him. And so when it came to his office, we were looking for the perfect scent that would suit a professional setting. So we found this diffuser from Lorenzen Candle Company, and it's perfect. It's not overpowering. They come in a lot of different scents. This one is the Teakwood Tobacco. So it is kind of a more masculine scent. You can read on the description all the different fragrances and oils that they use, but I get hints of like sandalwood, patchouli, a little bit of orange. It smells really good. And then if you need to freshen the scent, if you feel like the scent is fading, you just take these reeds and then you flip them over so the reeds that were sitting in the oil are now exposed. So if you want to increase the scent of a diffuser, just have it next to airflow. So my husband has this sit on his shelf right next to his fan, and that will help disperse the scent throughout the room. So he loves it, I love the smell, and I really appreciate that it's not overpowering, especially for his office. And that's our point of view.